When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades have as much impact on both comfort and cost savings as new windows. However, many Tuscaloosa homeowners underestimate the importance of professional window installation. While DIY installation might seem like a way to cut costs, improper installation can lead to energy loss, water damage, and expensive repairs down the line. Professional window installation ensures lasting performance, efficiency, and value, saving you money for years to come. Precision installation prevents costly air leaks. Windows are one of the most significant sources of heat gain and loss in any home. Even a small gap or misalignment can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Tuscaloosa's humid summers and chilly winters, this can quickly drive up utility bills. Professional installers use specialized tools and materials, like foam insulation and waterproof flashing, to create a perfect seal around each window. Their precision ensures your windows are airtight and energy efficient from day one. Over time, this reduces strain on your heating and cooling system and translates into lower energy costs every month. Protecting your home from moisture damage. Improperly installed windows can let moisture seep into the walls, leading to mold, rot, and structural deterioration. These hidden issues often go unnoticed until they cause serious and costly damage. Professional window installers in Tuscaloosa understand local climate conditions and use correct sealing methods to protect against heavy rain and humidity. They apply the right caulking and flashing techniques to prevent leaks, preserving the integrity of your home's structure. By avoiding moisture problems, you save money on future repairs and extend the life of your investment. Maximizing energy efficiency for long-term savings. Energy-efficient windows are only as good as their installation. Even top-rated Energy Star windows can fail to perform if installed incorrectly. A professional installation ensures that each unit functions as intended, reducing heat transfer, minimizing drafts, and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Over time, homeowners in Tuscaloosa who choose professional window installation notice significant savings on their energy bills. The improved insulation not only lowers costs but also increases comfort by eliminating hot and cold spots in your home. When combined with modern low-E glass and insulated frames, professional installation can cut annual energy expenses by hundreds of dollars. Avoiding costly mistakes and replacements. DIY window projects often lead to expensive errors, incorrect measurements, broken glass, damaged trim, or poor sealing. These mistakes can require reinstallation or replacement, erasing any initial savings. In contrast, professional window installers have the experience to handle complex details, from measuring openings to fitting custom frames and securing locks properly. Most professional installation services also include a workmanship warranty. This means if any issue arises due to installation error, it's fixed at no additional cost to you, something DIY efforts can't offer. The peace of mind and long-term protection make professional installation the smarter financial choice. Increasing home value and curb appeal. Professionally installed windows not only perform better, they look better too. Clean lines, secure fits, and even finishes enhance your home's aesthetic and resale value. Homebuyers recognize the benefits of high-quality, energy-efficient windows installed by professionals, which can make your property more attractive on the market. In Tuscaloosa's competitive real estate scene, this attention to detail can set your home apart. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, professional installation ensures your windows maintain their appeal and function long-term. The smart investment for Tuscaloosa homeowners. When you add up the long-term benefits, energy savings, fewer repairs, and increased property value, it's clear that professional window installation is a wise investment. While the upfront cost may be higher than DIY, the return in performance and durability pays off over time. Choosing a trusted Tuscaloosa window installation company ensures your windows are properly fitted, sealed, and protected against the elements. You'll enjoy lower utility bills, greater comfort, and the confidence that your home is built to last. Final thought: Professional window installation isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting your investment. By ensuring your windows are installed correctly the first time, you save money, energy, and stress for years to come. For homeowners in Tuscaloosa, hiring experienced window professionals is the key to lasting comfort and long-term financial savings.